Welcome back everyone to the series Arabic for Beginners, or in Arabic اللغة العربية للمبتدئين, presented to you by Ibn Firnas Muslim Student Association. This is episode 4 of the series, and in this episode we continue talking about the Arabic letters and we learn some of them. A quick revision: we've already said that there are 28 Arabic letters. We've studied some of them so far. We've talked about the harakat in Arabic. We talked about the sukun, and finally we talked about the shadda in the last episode. So before we get into the letters for today's lesson, I want to mention one last diacritic. That is the tanween. Tanween in writing is literally the doubling of one of the three harakat, the dhamma, the fatha, or the kasra, at the end of the word, and it's always at the end of the word. In pronunciation, however, it means that we add the sound n or nun sakina, we say in Arabic, at the end of a word. So with the dhamm, it looks like this. With the fath, it looks like this. With the kasr, it looks like this. And you can see it's a literal doubling in writing of the haraka. So now we go to some examples of it. We take the letter ba and we take the word qalb. Without the tanween, this word is qalb, means heart. With the tanween, with dhamm, it's qalbun, qalbun. For the fath, it's qalban, qalban. With the kasr, it's qalbin, qalbin. Now to make things even clearer, what's on the right here is how we write it. What's on the left is how we pronounce it. So it's as if there is a noon at the end. So again, it's qalbun. For fatha, it's qalban. For the kasra, it's qalbin. It's as if there's a noon at the end. But please remember that we never ever write it like the way it's written on the left. This is only for teaching purposes. We write it the way we write it on the right, and we pronounce it like qalbun, qalban, and qalbin. You may have already noticed though that for the fath it's special, like the tanween with the kasr with the fath, I'm sorry, is special, and it's different from the dhamm and the kasr because we add an alif at the end of the word when it's tanween with fath. And this is true for all words when we add the tanween with the fath. However, there are 5 exceptions, and this is a bit of an advanced note, but I felt obliged to tell you this so that you don't find any strange writings, or like you don't recognize something when it's written in a text. So the 5 exceptions are when the word ends with a ta marbuta, and this is how the ta marbuta looks like, and this word is without the tanween, it's madrasa, madrasa. With the tanween, it's madrasatan. And then there is when there is a hamza preceded by an alif, and without the tanween, this is sama. With the tanween, it's sama'an. Third case is when there is an alif with a hamza above it. That is without the tanween, this is khata. With the tanween, it's khata'an. Fourth case is when there's an alif at the end of the word, and this alif is native to the word. So without the tanween, this word is asa, and then with the tanween, it's asan, means stick. And finally, if there's an alif layina at the end, and an alif layina is a ya that is pronounced like an alif. So this word without the tanween is fata. With the tanween, it's fatan. Notice how we did not add an alif at the end of any of these words. because these are the exceptions. However, we just added the tanween with the fath at the end, so at the last letter. Now we go to today's letters, and there are 6 letters today. We start with the ta. So at the beginning of the word, it looks like this. This is طائر. At the middle, it looks like this. And this is يطلب, requests, masculine form. And then at the end, it looks like this. And this is سقط, سقط, fell, masculine form. And then the ضاء at the beginning, ظلام, darkness, نظارة, glasses, استيقظ, woke up, masculine form. And then عين, عمل, work, يلعب, plays, masculine form, يدفع, pays or pushes, both masculine form. So pays for something. And then غين, غضب, anger, صغير, small, يمضغ, choose, masculine form. Notice how for the عين and the غين, the letter changes quite a bit when it comes at the beginning or the middle of the word. It merges with the other letters. And then فاء, فعل, did, masculine form. تفقد, loses, feminine form. أنف, nose. And finally قاف, قوية, strong, feminine form. So this is an adjective. يقول, says, masculine form. And صديق, friend, masculine form. So this is a male friend. Again, notice how for the fa and the qaf, the letter merges with the other letters when it comes at the beginning or the middle of the word. Finally, we write some, as always, we write some of the letters and the words. So we start with ta. First one is طائر. And then يطلب. And then سقط. Ta and dha are the same. If you know how to connect the ta, you know how to connect dha. So I'm gonna go directly to عين. عمل. يلعب. And in the middle, like this. So you have a little protrusion here, and then you go to the left, then to the right, and then you continue. Yeah. And يدفع. We can do it a bit faster here, so just go like that. غين and عين are the same when it comes to connections. So I'm gonna go to فاء and فعل and then يفقد finally أنف. Again, the qaf and the fa are the same in connections with the exception of the dots, of course. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you and goodbye. شكرا وإلى اللقاء and see you next episode.